This B2B workshop is different from other similar workshops. I will contact each of you, each delegate before the workshop, and try to understand your issues and challenges. I will then look at your social media profile, your company's social media profile, from the perspective of your customer. I try to understand how your customer sees your company from outside, and then reflect it to you. The workshop is a combination of 3 different formats. First of all, it's a training, so you will learn new things. I will use a lot of case studies from all over the world to show you how similar B2B companies have addressed marketing problems. Then it's a consultation, which means that I will offer you advice how to improve your marketing. And thirdly, it's a creative briefing. All delegates together, they work as an advertising agency, and we all together create actionable ideas for your marketing. So you will leave the workshop with a specific plan, with ideas, how to improve your marketing already tomorrow. So please come and join us.